In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN auto renewal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you won't be charged again when your current term ends. This process won't deactivate your service immediately. It simply stops future automatic payments while keeping your existing access until the end of your billing period. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website, then sign in to your Nord account. Use the same credentials you used when you first subscribed. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, complete it to finish signing in. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and avoid entering your details on any lookalike pages. Once you're in your account, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation. Click on the Billing tab. This is where NordVPN lists your payment information and any active plans associated with your account. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the sidebar, expand the menu icon to reveal Billing. On the Billing page, locate your active subscription. It should clearly show the plan you're currently using, along with your next renewal date. Next to that plan, find the Manage button or look for a cancel link specifically next to Auto Renewal. Depending on the interface version you're seeing, this might be labeled Manage, Cancel, or something similar like Turn Off Auto Renewal. The goal is the same. You want to access the auto renewal setting for your active plan. After clicking Manage or the Cancel link next to Auto Renewal, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to select a reason for turning off auto renewal. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Then confirm by clicking Cancel Auto Renewal. Take a moment to review any message that appears, as it usually explains that your subscription will remain active until the current term ends and that you won't be billed again automatically. When the process completes, you should see a confirmation on the page indicating that auto renewal is off for your subscription. Your service stays available through the end of your paid period, and you can always return to your account later if you decide to change this setting again. If the layout looks a little different than what I described, keep an eye out for familiar terms like billing, subscription, manage, and auto renewal. The steps are the same even if the buttons have slightly different names. That's all you need to turn off NordVPN auto renewal smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and take care.